I'm Molly Reed, your Volusia County community correspondent. A second woman is now facing charges in a dog attack that killed an 8-year-old boy back in January in the DeLand area. Now, the sheriff tells us one of the dog's owners turned herself in Friday afternoon. The other one was arrested Thursday night. The sheriff tells us both of the dog's owners were caught deleting their social media pages and accounts where they were previously seen admitting to the dogs causing issues in the neighborhood before the attack on the little boy.
She knew when those dogs killed Michael, she knew if the cops got a hold of those messages, was grass.
Deputies say Brandy Hodel and Amanda Franco lived together, each owning one of the two dogs that killed 8-year-old Michael Mauled back in January. Volusia deputies say the child was mauled by the two dogs while riding his bike in a neighborhood near DeLand.
There were other people who notified both Amanda and Brandy through social media on the public pages that their dogs had been out running at large.
The sheriff says Franco and Hodel wiped and deleted their social media accounts the day after Mauled was killed. One neighbor sent detectives screenshots, though, showing a history of the women acknowledging their dogs getting loose off their property and causing problems in the neighborhood, even killing other people's animals.
There's a lot of people in the neighborhood knew what was going on, but because everybody had some kind of a connection and they didn't want to see anybody get in trouble or they didn't want to be considered a snitch, they didn't report it to law enforcement.
The sheriff says under current state law, they would have needed a history of calls and reports to law enforcement and animal services to charge the women for the actual attack.
He knew that the animal charge for Michael's death, it was never going to get above a misdemeanor second degree.
Now, earlier this week, Franco was charged with a second-degree misdemeanor for her dog's role in the attack on Mauled. The Mauled family did not want to go on camera and speak today, but we're told they at least feel a little bit more relieved now that both owners are facing a felony. I'm your Volusia County community correspondent Molly Reed, News 6.